Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your birth date on CoinMarketCap account. Your birth date on CoinMarketCap may be used for age verification, compliance, or personalized features. So if you entered it incorrectly during sign up, you can update it to ensure accurate account information. First of all, launch open CoinMarketCap application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top right corner. Now, click on your display name at the top and click on the edit button right next to your followers list. Now this will open up profile. From here, select birthday. Now I have added a random birthday while signing up for CoinMarketCap in a hurry. So if you want to change that, go ahead and toggle through the date buttons at the bottom of the screen and select your correct birth date. Selecting the year first and then enter your date and month. After doing so, click on change. Soon after you do that, you have successfully changed or updated your birth date to the correct one. Having the correct birth date ensures compliance, personalized features, and account security. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.